we're going to quickly look at how you can find your certification number and certification date inside the Now Learning portal. So the key thing to realize here is that oftentimes when you're working with a services partner, if you're working for them, they're going to want to know this information because it helps them with their partner status with ServiceNow, or at least it did at the time of this recording. So the main things that they're going to need to know from you are certification name, certification date, certification number, and the certification email. Now this is your web assessor email. In the future they may not need to know this as things transfer over to the Now Learning portal, but for now that is something they'll still need to know. Oftentimes this is not your work email, this is a personal email, or it may be the email of a previous employer if you haven't gotten that switched over. Definitely recommend keeping it personal email if you can as you go from company to company. So that said, this is the information they need. The best way to find that, go to nowlearning.service-now.com and you're going to go ahead and go to My Certifications. Once you're on the My Certifications page, you're going to see the certifications you have listed, and you can quickly click View Certificate to be able to see that information and to get that information set up in your actual partner portal. So you're going to provide this over to whoever it is that manages your partner portal, and they're going to go ahead and be able to set that up. The main things you're going to want to give them are the name of the certificate, which is right there, and then as well as the date of this certificate, and the certificate number is right here. Now, it's important to note this is the place that you need to get this information, even if you took these, say, back in Web Assessor before things were Now Learning. And the reason why is every time you take a delta, this certification number and this date change. So the latest information, the information they have to enter into this screen is going to be from here. So again, you go to My Certifications, and then you go ahead and click View Certification, and you grab this information. Hopefully that helps, and this has been another Finite Bit.